empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
Welcome to Module 6. In this lesson, we'll explore the ethical side of AI, how bias can creep in, our responsibility to mitigate it, and best practices to keep data private and secure when using ChatGPT. AI models learn from vast text data sets. If those texts include stereotypes, imbalances, or harmful language, the model can reproduce them. This is called bias. 1. Data source bias. Models ingest text scraped from the web, forums, articles, social media, where certain viewpoints dominate. For example, if a dataset contains predominantly one cultural perspective, minority voices may be underrepresented. 2. Labeling bias. In fine-tuning, human annotators guide model behavior. Annotator assumptions or blind spots can embed subjective judgments like what language is considered polite or professional. 3. Algorithmic amplification. The model may overgeneralize patterns it sees frequently. A phrase used disparagingly in some contexts can be regurgitated inappropriately. Fairness. Strive to ensure outputs don't unfairly disadvantage or stereotype any group. Transparency. Be open about AI's capabilities and limitations. Avoid presenting AI-generated content as purely human. Accountability. Always review critical outputs. Assign a human in the loop to catch harmful or biased responses. When you interact with ChatGPT, your input is sent to OpenAI's servers for processing. It's crucial to understand how that data is handled, and how to protect sensitive information. 1. Data transmission. Your prompts and the model's responses travel over encrypted channels, HTTPS. 2. Data retention. By default, OpenAI may store conversation data to improve models, unless you use an enterprise plan with stricter data controls. 3. Anonymization. OpenAI strips personally identifying metadata, but the content you submit remains in the training pipeline unless you opt out. Avoid sensitive data. Never include passwords, health records, financial details, or other personally identifiable information in prompts. Paraphrase or anonymize. If you must discuss confidential scenarios, replace real names with placeholders like Client A. Review plan settings. On paid plans, enable data opt-out options if available. Understand your organization's data policy. Local processing where needed. For highly sensitive tasks, consider self-hosted or on-premise solutions rather than public APIs. Scenario 1. Bias. You ask, list strengths of female leaders. If the model responds with cliches like nurturing or empathetic, you can counteract by adding instructions. List strengths of female leaders. Focus on professional skills and achievements. Scenario 2. Privacy. You submit a customer support transcript containing user emails. The AI echoes those emails in its reply. To prevent leaks, prompt redact any personal identifiers from the following text before summarizing. Human in the loop. Always have a review step. Instruct ChatGPT to flag uncertain or sensitive outputs, then have a team member verify them. Bias. Recognize sources, dataset labeling algorithms, and mitigate via transparent prompts and human review. Ethics. Prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability. Privacy. Understand data flow, avoid personally identifiable information, and use opt-out or self-hosted options when necessary. Review process. Implement a human in the loop for oversight on critical outputs. AI is powerful, but with power comes responsibility. By understanding bias, applying ethical principles, and safeguarding personal data, you can use ChatGPT both effectively and responsibly. Thank you for joining Module 6. In our next module, we'll explore advanced integrations and building AI agents. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.